The signs you're seeing are pointing you somewhere real. Building a business on YouTube as a parent over 40 is not easy, but there is so rewarding. So I want to share with you how to do it. I want to share with you the benefits of it, because I'm seeing so much content online right now about scaling and building a personal brand, not building a personal brand, building a lifestyle business. Don't build a lifestyle business. It'll be bloody consuming, all consuming and very confusing for you. So I've been doing this now for 13 years, built an agency, built my coaching business, grew it, became ill, had children, all of those things that people like you and I will go through and will struggle with. And there's not enough honesty online. And the best way to build trust, if you're going to consider doing an online business or building a business through YouTube or using social media, is to build trust through honesty. So I'm going to take you on a little journey through that today, and you can take the actions that you wish. So, YouTube business, best thing on the planet right now. In 2026, as we're leading through a difficult time with what's going on in various countries, wars, governments, we get to own something. We get to create something of our own. And I've been doing it now for well over a decade, and it's so rewarding. No, I've not made $1 million or £1 million, but I'm making comfortable six-figure years. But most importantly, the lesson that I learned was that's not the focus. I believe that everyone here watching this video has a message worth sharing. You've gone through some amazing things, experiences, difficult times. Sorry, I'm walking the dog and he's just pulled me. He did a wee, bless him. Honesty, trust, that's how they're built, through real life situations. And if you're over 40, you've got knowledge, wisdom, skills, expertise that 20-year-olds and 25-year-olds are taking from textbooks and other people's YouTube videos, and they are making content around that in a way to build trust. It's really, really hard for them, and it's much, much easier for us over 40s because we've lived it, we've experienced it. So I want to share something with you. It's my free gift to you. It's called the Hidden Asset Finder. You'll find a link in the description. Answer 10 questions and it'll tell you what you can take from your knowledge, your wisdom, your skills and your expertise and turn it into an online business. If nothing more right now, you have the ability to take a chance. You've got an hour, a couple of hours a day to fill that in and ponder on it. Make some videos like this. I mean, I'm walking the dog. Look, he's down here, bless him. Murphy. He's down there. It's 9:30 at night. And I felt the urge, the need to share this. You will see signs around you. This video might be one. To try things, test things, share your story. This is a permission video to give it a go. It won't happen first time. This is hard. It is hard. But it's for those people who are willing to take a chance on themselves, bet on themselves, go all in on themselves. It's not about posting millions of pieces of content. You hear all this nonsense online about if you build a personal brand, you're going to have to scale it and the business is going to be your face all the time and this, that and the other. Well, there's ways of getting around that. There's ways of not having to keep your foot on the pedal all the time. There's ways of spending time with your family and enjoying the process. And there's also ways of taking time off when you need it. I've certainly had to. So the Hidden Asset Finder will help you find your genius, if you will. The next step that I want to share with you is start documenting over creating. This thing here is just a documentation of a feeling, a sense. People might think I'm crazy out here walking the dog 9:30 at night, just talking into my phone. Front-facing cameras are breaking all the rules. But when you start to talk it out loud, you kind of speak it into existence. Yes, you could call it manifestation, if you will, and I'm all for that. But if you speak it out into existence, you start to hear it. You hear what's right, you hear what feels wrong, and you start to get your message, well, some coherence around that message. So second one is document over create. Third one is ask yourself, what's your number? And when I say what your number is, if you are looking to create a lifestyle business, or you're over 40, you want to leave the day job, what is the number you need? Most people come to building a business or starting out, they have no idea what they want to make or what they need to make. What is the baseline for your bills? What money do you need to cover in the first instance to cover the rent, the mortgage, the bills, the food shopping? Then what's the next level up from that to give you the holidays and the lifestyle that you want? What's the next level up from that to give you the savings for your retirement? Because when you work those figures out, so for example, for me, it's quite simple. Baseline, £2,000 a month. It's not actually a lot of money. That covers the bills. That covers the bills and the mortgage. And then from there, the next step up is actually only 4,000. So it's another 2,000. Well, if I bring 2 people a month into my core program, that's that covered. So you don't need tons of sales and tons of leads and tons of everything else that everyone's saying. You need to know your numbers. So if you want to make 10 grand months and you've got $1,000 course or program or cohort or mentorship like we have, you only need between 5 and 10 clients a month, and you can build that pipeline but through content very, very easily. You don't have to overthink it. You don't have to try and oversell. You don't have to be pushy with sales, because what you'll find is if you're leading with a message of trust and honesty and purpose, then the money will come to you, and it's less difficult, less hard, it's less challenging. I don't know if these words are coming out right. This is a one-take, non-scripted kind of flow of consciousness. But if you take those 3 principles and put some action to them, you'll find that you'll build this 6-figure business, 10 grand a month, $20,000 a month business with less stress and more ease. And to give you context, I made a video recently about how 400 view videos brought me in $24,000 was the actual figure. We had 10 places available for the Heart Brand Blueprint. Through creating content, communicating with my community, we sold those 10 places and an extra 2. And then we closed the doors because I wanted to make sure we deliver quality and value and really get those people over the line. $2,000, $24,000 in total. And then the system is to rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. The most important thing though is that you deliver on your promise. And that's it. Doesn't have to be difficult. Builds me a lifestyle that I love and enjoy. I can walk my dog at 9:30 at night with no stress, no worry, and just enjoy life. And I can put some away for my daughter's wedding, my other daughter's first house, helping the kids with driving lessons, the college fund, my own retirement. All of that can be taken care of as long as you know your numbers, you document over create, and you build a business of trust and purpose. Now, I've just launched a brand new community called the YouTube Green Room, and in there you will get access to the hidden asset finder. You'll get access to all the tools and training you need to get started, document over creating. And if you want, I'll even do a know your numbers piece of training. It's completely free. Descriptions down below. I'd love to see you in there so I can help you get started building out your legacy business.